Welcome to Study Care. In this video we are going to discuss about 50 important questions on geography for SSC 12 level exam 2025. Let's begin.
Physical Geography 1. Question. What is the largest desert in the world? Answer. Sahara Desert. 2. Question. Which is the longest river in the world? Answer. Nile River. 3. Question. Name the highest mountain peak in the world. Answer. Mount Everest. 4. Question. What is the deepest point in the ocean? Answer. Mariana Trench. 5. Question. Which layer of the earth is made of molten rock? Answer. Mantle. 6. Question. What is the term for the boundary where two tectonic plates meet? Answer. Plate boundary. 7. Question. What is the term for the flat, low-lying areas along a river? Answer. Floodplains. 8. Question. Which type of rock is formed from lava? Answer. Igneous rock. 9. Question. What is the smallest continent in the world? Answer. Australia. 10. Question. What phenomenon causes day and night? Answer. Earth's rotation. Political Geography. 11. Question. What is the capital of Australia? Answer. Canberra. 12. Question. Which country has the largest population in the world? Answer. China. 13. Question. Name the organization abbreviated as UN. Answer. United Nations. 14. Question. What is the capital of Canada? Answer. Ottawa. 15. Question. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer. Japan. 16. Question. What is the largest country by area? Answer. Russia. 17. Question. Which river forms the boundary between the USA and Mexico? Answer. Rio Grande. 18. Question. Name the continent with the most countries. Answer. Africa. 19. Question. What is the official language of Brazil? Answer. Portuguese. 20. Question. Which Asian country is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands? Answer. Philippines. Economic Geography. 21. Question. What is the major export of Saudi Arabia? Answer. Oil. 22. Question. Name the largest producer of coffee in the world. Answer. Brazil. 23. Question. Which country is the largest producer of rice? Answer. China. 24. Question. What is the leading producer of diamonds in Africa? Answer. Botswana. 25. Question. Which region is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer. Bengaluru. 26. Question. Name the largest coal producer in the world. Answer. China. 27. Question. What is the major agricultural product of Punjab, India? Answer. Wheat. 28. Question. Which river is vital for the economy of Egypt? Answer. Nile River. 29. Question. Name the largest producer of gold in the world. Answer. China. 30. Question. What is the main export of Venezuela? Answer. Crude oil. Mixed questions. Physical, political, economic. 31. Question. Which country shares the longest land border with India? Answer. Bangladesh. 32. Question. Name the largest freshwater lake in the world. Answer. Lake Superior. 33. Question. What is the main reason for acid rain? Answer. Emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. 34. Question. Which strait separates Europe and Africa? Answer. Strait of Gibraltar. 35. Question. What is the capital of South Korea? Answer. Seoul. 36. Question. Which desert is located in Rajasthan, India? Answer. Thar Desert. 37. Question. Name the currency of Japan. Answer. Yen. 38. Question. Which ocean surrounds the Maldives? Answer. Indian Ocean. 39. Question. Name the longest railway in the world. Answer. Trans-Siberian Railway. 40. Question. What is the main occupation of the people in the Ganges Delta? Answer. Agriculture. 41. Question. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? Answer. Ural Mountains. 42. Question. What is the largest island in the world? Answer. Greenland. 43. Question. Name the largest river in India. Answer. Ganges. 44. Question. What is the southernmost point of India? Answer. Indira Point. 45. Question. Which country has the most time zones? Answer. France, including overseas territories. 46. Question. Which state in India is the largest by area? Answer. Rajasthan. 47. Question. Name the largest producer of natural rubber. Answer. Thailand. 48. Question. What is the primary reason for desertification? Answer. Overgrazing and deforestation. 49. Question. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Answer. Kosi River. 50. Question. Name the ocean that is the smallest in size. Answer. Arctic Ocean.
I hope this video helped you for your exam. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.